Family, what's going on? My name is Stew. This is a new YouTube channel, and I'm excited for just getting into this YouTube thing. It's big, it's a lot, got a lot to learn, but bear with me as we go and have fun. I'm trying to do as many videos as I possibly can, as life allows me, with family, with work. I just want to share some of my adventures. Fishing is my #1 thing that I do on this particular channel, what this channel is for, but I also do reviews, and I'm gonna be doing giveaways. Everybody loves free things, so hey, spread the love. And also I have other things that I like to share too, that I want to show you all outside of fishing. So get prepared, it's gonna be fun, we're gonna be excited, it's gonna be exciting. Today's video, this is the pilot video, and I want to show you a review of a lure that I received about 2 days ago, and of course I could not help myself but to open it up. So the Eurotackle Z Viper. Now, not an on-water review, not a they catch a lot of fish review, but just the hands-on, how do they feel, how they look, size comparison, to give you a general idea of what you'll be looking or what you'll be expecting once you get these particular lures. If it's bad, it's just bad. If it catches fish, it just catches fish. Starting with the shipping. Now, you know, we had these winter storms that came through, which made delivery on some packages very difficult, but I must say Eurotackle shipped out quickly, and I got my stuff when I really didn't think I was getting it. But everything came packaged neatly, as it should. It came packaged like this, so came in a big container. I think this is right here. Came in this, and so yeah, I'm satisfied with that part of it. Now let's get into these. I have 3 different sizes. The first size is a 1 inch, and I have a 0.6 inch, and I also have a 1.6 inch. A 1.6 inch, 1/8 ounce is the 1.6 inch. And I'll let you see, because I believe in, you want to be able to see stuff, but yeah, whatever. So 1.6. And the 0.6 inch is a 1/16 ounce, and the 1 inch is also 1/16 ounce. First, I want to show you all the 1.6, the 1 inch 6 ounce Eurotackle Z Viper. This is a good, great, wonderful looking color. As you can see, it's transparent. You can actually see through it. May not be able to see it, but you can actually kind of see through it. Also, you can see the balls, and it got like, I think 2 balls. Two little BBs or whatever. And it's a good looking bait. Paint job is superb. Now, I don't know how it would hold up after so many fish hit it. You know how that goes. The treble hooks, you know, nothing unique about them. They are sharp. I have stuck myself a couple of times, but you can't just bend them. They're a little tough to bend, but I feel a little movement. But some people always change theirs out anyway, so I don't expect it to be a deal breaker. I don't expect it for me, because I will change them out if I need to. But overall, I am satisfied with the way that look, with the way it feel, the quality. Yeah, I believe if I drop this down on some crappie in the brush pile, I will get a reaction bite of some type of. If I can just drag it across the water, I will, you know, drag it across in the strike zone. I should get something to shake out this. But it has three little notches to put, and this is adjustable. Has one of those adjustable clamps on it where you can kind of set it how you want it. I have it in the middle right now. I probably, of course, you start in the middle, then you work, I guess, when you retrieve them. I'm not a lipless crankbait you know, expert, not even a bass fisherman, that, you know, because this is not something new or unique, but just the profile, the sizes is a little unique to crappie from what I'm used to. Now I want to show you the 1 inch. Yeah, 1 inch comes with 1 hook on the back. Of course, you can take that off, and it has a little flex to it if you turn it, so it's not like a super solid hook, but it is sharp, which is important. Like again, you may change it for something else. To each his own on that. Color wise, like I say, I just had to get what they had. Obviously, they are a hot bait because they were sold out a lot of great colors. Look, belly got it. It's a good looking color, nevertheless. I just can't wait to drop this down in a brush pallet crappie. Yeah, I think this may make something move right here. Got a little rattle to it as well. I'm satisfied with that. Now the last is the 0.6 1/16 ounce. Has a little, I guess that's where the little BBs are. They give it weight, but this is a unique bait. I never fished with crankbait or whatever this size before, so it should be, here you go, right there. Now I'm putting a size comparison here. Yeah, so you'll be able to see at least a comparison of the sizes that you are getting or what you're getting. The hooks are removable with this one as well. Unique thing about the smaller one, they do give you another set of hooks. It's a treble hook. Yeah, right there. So they give you a treble hook to go along with it. And yeah, that's gonna be, I think these are some, especially for brim, finding brim beds. I think these are, especially this 160. I think this little thing right here is gonna be this may be the one right here. For brim, I know for sure. For a brim bed, this is trouble. And for crappie, I think either of these will make something smile. Oh, hold on, sorry. Gotta show that color. That's the color, right? But good looking baits, man. And I am very satisfied with the shipping. Very satisfied overall with the feel of the bait. Oh, I'm sorry. This one actually glows. They have some that glows. I hadn't tested it out. Let's see. I don't know. It may go, it may not. But it says it does. It probably does. It looked like it has that finish on it. So, family, thank y'all so much for your time. Hit the like button. Hit the button and let us know down in the comment section below whether or not you're gonna get these crankbaits, or if you have them and they don't work, let us know down in the section below. If they're awesome, let us know down in the comment section below. Also hit the notification bell because we are coming out with more content. Again, appreciate y'all. Stay motivated, stay encouraged, and whatever you do, never give up. It's your boy Stu, and I'm out.